Tangkhul Express Pvt Kamjong Sarkar Degree College Ukhrul Maizailungli Khalei Pettigrew College Zingum Hangthur Kada Zadra Ura Atam Gsang Chotla Kaina Mapung Gapa Vata Rahai Gasa Tree Kamai Wordam Chishut Kami Worshim Chili Gapa Kangajait Hipokair College G Tangkhul Ngaleli Varishi Nung Soda Katam Gish Education Yausang Kami Reverend William Pettigrew Kayashida Awimingli Lingaga Worshimna 1965 kum co-education institution sada linkada kum thrada khani wuivang college chi private institution sada zadwalaga 1977 kum manipur sarkarna khangkhui hawa Pettigrew College hi Manipur University li affiliate ka samang maningla University Grants Commission UGC wi azingli National Assessment and Accreditation Council NAAC Accreditation sampanga high college na Accreditation G 2024 kum samangda College G Ariri NAAC B grade eina. Achi Ukhrul District wi College Kateli Makhalei Pettigrew College li haimidale. Itumnet heipai Pettigrew College hi Biotech Hub Khalei Ukhrul District wi College Akhamangji kala apam hili Entrepreneurship Development Center EDC Leikhre College na. Biotech Hub Chili Lab wi akap akai sayur microorganisms test sayachi gala department chiwi katam now pinglila study tour atam li Jehovah da hang Zoology Department li khalei Biotech Hub wi coordinator Dr. Ercilia Jajo nakahang.
Hello, I'm Dr. Ercilia Jajo from the Department of Zoology, Pettigrew College, Ukhrul. I'm also the coordinator of Biotech Hub Department in Zoology Department. Regarding the Biotech Hub, we are working on a project on conservation of protected sites in Ukhrul district. So when we talk about protected sites, we have a lot like the Shiroi Lily, the Kamjong cave, the Mova cave, and some of the important rivers. At present, as our project is of 3 years term, this is the second year, and we are dealing mostly on the microorganisms. So when we talk about microorganisms and when we give emphasis on these microorganisms, we would like to tell the public that these microorganisms are very important in our life. Agriculture is one of the main occupation in our place, and next to agriculture comes fishing. So when we talk about fishing, we see lots of destructive way of fishing in Ukhrul district. In order to minimize or mitigate this problem, this department is working at the lowest level with our student community. Yes, we work on zooplanktons. So when we talk about zooplankton, in short, I will say zooplanktons is such a microscopic organisms which is not visible with our naked eye, but it is only visible under a trinocular microscope. We work on such organisms in order to save the water, the river body, or the ecosystem. The ecological community of Ukhrul district is really degrading day by day. So in order to do some preventive work, we are taking up this. We have been going out to give outreach program in some of the interior schools and colleges. We also go out and meet people. We give them some training, like hands-on training. Sometimes we take up important topics on conservation part in the department, especially to students from different institutions. And when it comes to the important part of this Biotech Hub, we feel like we are giving out a lot, because the students now, they have come to know the value of water. We drink water, but we don't know the value of water. So when we take water, when we use water, or when we use water for fishing, or when we go out for fishing, water is everywhere, but we never know what is there in water. We never know what does the fishes eat, how do the fishes live. We think the fish live by itself, but the fish, they also take food. And what are these food? These are the natural food. We call this microorganism live fish food. So when we save this live fish food, we get better quality fish. We preserve the water, we preserve the fish. These are some of the benefits on our project. Then coming to the department, this biotech hub, other than microorganism and studying the conservation part in Ukhrul district, we also take up some of the very important in identification part. Say in the campus, we have teachers, we have students living in the campus. For instance, a student suddenly come across a snake. They get scared. They bring to this department. Slowly we try to identify the snake. We have identified around 4-5 snake, and after identifying the snake, we come to know how venomous or how poisonous is the snake. Then we tell the students, the teachers who are there in the campus, or the laymen in our neighborhood, giving them some good advice that you should not touch this snake with your open wound. And we identify. Then this way we do something. Say for insects also we do like that, and many other things, whatever comes in our department.
Entrepreneur pingni katom kami kala kachui kami apam NEC Wazingli Entrepreneurship Development Center EDC Pettigrew College li shomi dale. EDC we maramli Ukhrul EDC we head Dr. RM Vino na kahang.
Iwi aming RM Vino ina Aruri Pettigrew College EDC we center head sadale EDC gijihi Entrepreneurship Development Center gijine project hi NEC Northeastern Council na sponsor kasane kala IIE Guwahati pashina implementing agency sada Northeastern region apam katongali entrepreneurship ecosystem promote sak wuivang center hi thumra linka khamine Juing a chaili Manipurli katumlay, Akana Churachanpurli, Akana Senapatili, Gala Gagatumana, Ukhruli. Ukhrul we center hi Pettigrew College li established Sakamine. Project Hiwi Azingli Faculty Development Program, Entrepreneurship Awareness Program, Gala Entrepreneurship Development Program, the program kathum ayur kathum hi singkami maleilak eina Ukhruli khalei startups pingli identify salaka business plan same mikhavai training khamine kala athumi business plan chi idea pitch competition li wasang laka athumli funding samphang mikhavai opportunity khalei ne Ajakung me project li ishi center we aina idea pitch competition li mi tharuk kapang khui now the la Ukhruli later khalei entrepreneurs pingli promote sakfai training ayur ngate dei da khikak fai ngarandale
Academic wordam ainang soda college hili NCC, NSS, Women's Cell, Healthcare Center, Disaster Management, kala Student Counseling Cell, hikatha katam nao pingli, mavakapei facilities laydale. College Chili Shorkar project ngatatay implement sadale. Shina wuivang bleed with pride project lahaydale. Itumnet hey paigja bleed with pride project hi mikumo shina wi mirinli kanga cha aina kala menstruation maramli kanga san kanga zekli ka khayak maleilak kala menstrual hygiene promote sada shinauli pangshap kami katom kami project kasana Pettigrew College li Center Scheme Pradhan Mantri Gaushal Vikas Yojana wi azingli data entry operating course kala makeup artist course la haimiya Pettigrew College li NCC 65 Girls Battalion we in charge Lieutenant Ringamla Shimra na NCC hi katamna wuivang dagar kasa maram hang.
Ringamla Shimra recently PRCN course for the lieutenant with title sambang hai enwa khane Pettigrew College with Yari ina NCC 65 Girls Battalion hi inari in charge thungta khaine Kyumai nitum na college li NCC hi dakar saukra chiraka hina taraka itumwe national bingiri. It helps them a lot. Means ada atumi personal growth and development. Kala chilang meda it equips them with all kinds of skills. Like for example, map reading, CPR, gun shooting, yoga, first aid. Kangde ta khalei fe mention sakabai. Kala chilang meda kumguji da C and B certificate exam thai national bing his atumi year wa tishulda. Jiri atumi jipas sa kayo thiri itumi C ru no kala B wi certificate sing khai ping hi atum na benefit enjoy sa ta hi ka thakre jira ka uniform services ping ni atum ni preference in ye kara chilang me da army recruitment atam thani atumi bonus mark ra hai mi tle kara chilang me da itumi academic incentive fi ra tara khali dire atumi ba kara chilang me da itum na weekly itum na institute training he drill we for my itum na sang sak ta khlei ne practice sa ta khlei ne hina atumi ka thagre jaga atumi health ri ra ta kha chone kara atumi discipline ru no atumi manners ru no atum ta kha develop sa khui ya jen atumi aram itum na compare sa tam chi thani ka thagre jaga crowdly khwa tam thani atumi they stand out, you know. Thada jaga atumi discipline ru no atumi manners ru no atumi training atum da sakai kem kumbuji de kem wa da khrei arun hi de itumi de army ka da train sa ga le da khrei wa na atumi they stand out in the crowd ya jena itum na ari kivai na shina college na kivai na 65 girls battalion hi itum na shinawi hi ari hi da open sa ga itum de ha da care sa da khrei hai da khrei ji hi chui benefit na atum wuivang ta ka kamjong khlei wa na hi hain sak khangai ne ningshiya.
Pettigrew College li Arch Department thara da khani leidale botany, chemistry, mathematics, physics, zoology, economics, education, English, geography, history, pol science kala sociology hiping hi haimia. College chili khui kai tam khui khawai apri le kala physics, chemistry, geography hi gata will lab le serdale. Geography lab with head of department Eunice Lal Rumoy kala assist lecturer Warrington Luiraina lab chui facilities kalewi maramli hangjate.
I am Eunice Lal Rumoy, head of department, Pettigrew College Geography department. Here my teaching faculties, my dear colleagues, Warrington Luiraina, assistant professor, and Ningshiya from your assistant professor. Geography department, Pettigrew College is the only which offer geography in these two districts, Kamjong and Ukhrul district. Here our equipments.
Kamjong geography department really. So whatever infrastructure, whatever tools we have, we try to make the best use of it. And these are some of the equipments that we have. This one is mirror stereoscope. Hibahi is in a satellite image. Kita study sari jaka stereo photographing ji yang rai jaka hishin daga saji ya. Then we also have drone bahina for capturing aerial photographs. Daga jika aerial photographs ila ini study saji ya practically. So this is the drone. Ibahina plane table survey sa wuivang. This one is used when we are doing survey sa dan transition naga simultaneously plotting the survey jaka hibai the. Then we also have some double sheets here. Double sheets ka another so many other practical equipments thirdly. Then we also have some other instruments out there. Theodolite kata tambi level thala laser kata.
Aruhon College chili jishut me room ser laga hangmati lang the lechi. Kavat leila faculty leida khalei ping na kashap hot nada katam now ping we classes matalak ina khimi da leida hang. Pettigrew College li National Education Policy NEP 2020 we azingli zingkum mati we degree program 4 years undergraduate program FYUP le haura. Ragra atamli staff mapung pamida gahai dagar sayagji college we mi ping na pong shoka. College chiwi ka chamma library li langmai the model library block la leida lekala administrative block building katherla masangle shichin ukidale. Egar mukudat hokaka Pettigrew College campus chili mayor now kala shinawi hostel facilities la samkup kichi haira. Mayor now we shaka shinawi la mi shaka chanshap haigi kichina. Shim lungling riau khawai kalang riau phung tennis court hi kathang riau ngahan with facilities haimi. Manipur transport na kami mini bus kala college chi which shoot mapping kala well wishers ping na sang ming rock laka katamnao ping wuivang bus service la haimi da lai gichi hang. College compound chili college we mandap la lai chili gichi katha na yoga class la khuimiya da hang. Pettigrew College katamnao aka khani na college chi we ka shock kazang la infrastructure maram ni ka hang.
Ithar jai khansu jingdrai khulen wen ne I arre B 6 semester tamdak le ne college we student union we 2024 to 2025 term we general secretary la sat le college le capable salak hai ojatra changda class kula examination malingla kai na sat le arre hila fourth semester le tamdak le tamnaw bing na university examination ebang preparation zada internal assessment la that le thui gai ka changde April 30 to May 3 ena tanda college we literary kala sports khupsanga lo pam da le Manipur University na college tra fourth year any national education policy we fourth year hike by kapang kui gai jele isi college ishi Pettigrew College le zang da le jeda katam now kiji chana fourth year tam ngai le ga ishi college le ra tam mi lo ningshiya.
Hello, I am Miss Eina. I am from Ukhrul village. I am 21 years old and I am currently pursuing zoology 6th semester in Pettigrew College. First of all, I like to thank for giving me this opportunity to speak about our college. First, I want to speak about our college infrastructure. Although it's not at that far, but our college provided us everything that we need. I am a zoology student, so whenever we have an experiment, the instrument does not like, so it's very good. And the teachers are also very good. They give their best to teach us like we are still in the higher secondary. And not only that, since I study in this Pettigrew College, I gain more opportunities to stand in the stage, and I have gained leadership qualities, more confidence as well. There are many extracurricular activities in our college, like the SSC and the NSS, which make us to explore more places and many more. So not only that, I would like to talk about our college environment as well. It is very good and very student friendly, so I don't regret studying in this college. Thank you.
Ukhrul kala Kamjong districts we akamang gaji shokar college Pettigrew College chi aming wuivang khalei na da yari kai khana ka phaning chi mamushung mana da college chi we principal Dr. Ringahau Horam na hang Dr. Horam na Pettigrew li 2025 maroon kachang wazanga zangda masangrang salala Pettigrew College hili khangachai khura khawai department ka shap aina tangda matai sang sak khawai ningrin ka hakkal leida hanga
ningshiya viewer की आज Pettigrew College में principal eina Nathum saikorali salak का है तो कुरा कभी appeal sarla है इधम Ukhrul district कला Kamjong district ली government with college अब कमांग जो college ने Pettigrew College 1965 ली हो बोलता मी कथाना बचूंगा अरे कदम बचूंगा ट्रैवल प्रोड्यूसर आवाज़ आप लेते हुए बचूंगा चंबो कमाई आज कॉलेज हिली ओचा हम इलाम देना क्वालिफाई साला घर ओचा बिना मतलब के ना क्लास कोई नहीं डिपार्टमेंट साला खनी माला का साइंस ला आर्ट्स ला ओचा बेला का ना थाला के ना तंची ठीक लिखो इन इन्फॉर्मेशन को तुम्हारा भमा कर्मगा कॉलेज को जो बताइए का Pettigrew College में ओजा faculty members qualified का साथ लिटिगेट का साथ एक घंटे कॉलेज को जो बताइए मैंने आज तक को ना अयाली इन्फाली और outside मणिपुरली नारी का तब ना बात जो सर लगा ऐसा कुछ जो नाम होता नहीं इन आदमी साथ आए बाबा आए माफ़ान में चीज़ बनी का lui kavano ina athumi income to la kan de kare pi Tangkhul ga ayang ke sa ko ai ga tamai ne riau ko na master ma Tangkhul PhD ma Tangkhul ko chung ga tang ha chu ko Chivani na ham hai ba Pettigrew college ka ha hi chu ra la BA hi le ko sang la chu thi le ba hi course ma kale MA ka tha o PhD ka ayane atam na da tang ha la chi na phak ni sa ra ri chu se college hi o cha ki chai ko na chung ro wi mo dong chung ro da pa class में था कि कोई मांग बनेगा एग्जाम में हम तब कहीं ना सीसर सारा कहीं कोई था मैं तब कहीं ना इंटरनल असेसमेंट का एग्जाम का था ना सारा कल चिल्लाम में का कचार होती हुई मां पैसा का धोखा हुई फीस का पैसा की ना थूम था कतम थूमरा हैंडल हुई फ्री है ना ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का प्रोफेसर ने कॉलेज की hostel boys hostel plus girls hostel kan itu अब था कि ना साथ में जो तुम नहीं boys hostel आ girls hostel आ का story तो हुई मैं था कि ना साकार दे जो को ना है model library ला था कि साकार को संग बनाई दा finishing को नहीं देते ये नाम बिना कि संग की हमारी थी बा कॉलेज की इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर ट्रक में बात सामने रही अभी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ब्लॉक new building office 54 rooms ka akar ko sangana finishing stage later chibama na apa mili apa ma chama ke pamam thana ke kalau sa tinggal ma thana ke ni sangita college lan sa te nei ni na wa ki sai ko re ni ini chora mi lo itu mo sa ko toma lo principal exam de ma thana ke na wa ki ni water mi yang sang ko fa itu sa le ka itu kesapan itu khotna dari saat ini jangan Pettigrew college itu ketemu college ni mampu saya college ni apa mili seorang milo dan sangai sampai ke itu orang ini isi college ni seorang lo dan he sampai ke itu kapong kesana ningshiya
Manipur Sarkar na kapangkhuida Pettigrew College li BEd high kawai process la zattale Ajgum hima pairang lakha college chili BET le hai sara da Dr. Horam na Jihan da khalei phong shoka Pettigrew College hi atam gasanga mamathala le saya kaji yari na thai college ji matha sangkha ngasakli mi ngata dai da na sharkhui mi haidale Pettigrew College li khanga chei khui khara kaji hitharan college wi mi ping long now ping yari mi nganin kathana ping kala Ukhrul MLA sak kasa outer Manipur MP Alfred Kangam as Arthur Wiming mutithap kapaili zanga hiwi maramle hunpun katam now long we president Ungsorin Draguina kaha
Pettigrew College mathaire matha sangaire katam now price hala ka katam now kujungala admission khuye price hala ka katam now kujungala pratisap maire ta college mathaire gi Amei arulam thava fura kakneli itungwe 44 ishiwui ex MLA Amei Alfred awi period chili college mathak vaida kachunga sidala visit ka sathe kala quantity education meaning la quality education prati sak vaida unfair means eradicate salaga fair salaga ina quality lela khaya katam now Pratisak vai ki appeal ka saina principal na than laka wi staffing na chi implement sak ni ju mangaina achi college mathak na sak nei chila factor hakla khaya khali sangai kala college mathak vai da infrastructure hakla khaya infrastructure kachungala khungni pro maire the 44 SUV ex MLA Amei Alfred our shiru our ana kachunga mathasang gawai Pettigrew College mathasang gawai da hakla khaya ana wrong rewe inadang hangai da Pettigrew College we principal na than laga vice principal kala awi professor lecturer bing now ngarale tam chikthei da tam chithei lak ni tele kala implementation adang appeal ke sajili fair salaga ne exam thang sak lega ke sahina principal Amei sorishang kala au Peter kala staff ping wi shiruk la hak la gaina jange Pettigrew college achi mathang saktak le hili kala ka thumali long now education we as katam now bing we badi nga saw gada khun katam now long Ukhrul student union gala Tangkhul katam now saklong hili atam kuchung ko invest sami ga ne katam now bing we aning anang ayu aya saikorali sangni laga hi matha sang gawai quality lela kaya katam now producership gawai gi hili ina kuchunga atam makhle adi shuda ina details haina mahan sarala atam kuchunga invest sai kala matha sang gawai kuchunga hotnai achi long now khani hi Ukhrul student union aina Tangkhul katam now saklong na kala ground grassroots level li Ukhrul VA spring kala all hunpun tang we president and than laga awi executive ping kala chu ngarem li layau gada katam now ping we thang li yang shop tak le ocho saikori yang sumi gwai kala chili gapom ring thomai gwai da yang sumi dak le ya majalung we chairman Nathum laga awi executive ping hakla khai ro ngaleu mi de college matha gwai kala ina hangai adung bing hili ping saikori hina ichachawi responsible kuilaga unkhangrew hina achi college matha king sakne gi hangai aruila ina individual line personal line mahang khre gchungule sara yang ina ma chungre la gchungule ka apla ka ning de le aru hangda ga ting ina rew ga ne kala hidi lang me la khangrew personal level line long no level line khangrew gchungule ta yu gapning le finance saur by decision ni chila ga
Tangkhul ngalei akamang khalei government college hili ishi Tangkhul Express TV na wakyang tharan zadrag hai zingumati phangawi alungli katam naw machine mathala kaina matai ga sangthei khuya 2018 to 2019 atamli katam naw shaka hangchiko da phangamang kasai 2022 to 23 atamli katam naw shashni makada guthum mingchan kasa thei khuya machine hi kashan ni chungla ka hai maning gi thala bai kha thui ga hai atamli ngatama ga mingchan kasa 271% chungasang hi khangachei ka hakngsaya kala mingchan kasa matai ga sang hi worship chili yarina shit ka sang matai ga sangwi shaki akana Tangkhul nauping tui khamai katam kash mathada sampang khawai sem ka ka worship on tho khamye pingwi ningrinji atam zanglala ungushung thot hili azak purphokhaira ma Pettigrew college li matha sang khawai apongta khalei fia kha itumwi apam li la yari kuchungana tingshap sarkar worship li higher education mapung phada samphang phok ka hai hi rakra atam wuivang khamatha kuchahan lengasaka